Wasp
Sniper
killer.
rifle.
Yes, wasp sniper. So in order to make that, you need to get these little metal decking tubes that are, and so you're gonna want to buy a bunch of these, depending on how high up the wasp nest is. So you want to put them together, and then you want to put them on the very end of the tube. You have the tape, like so, and then you roll them up. Rolling, 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 rolling. Okay. So after that, it's firm-ish, and then you just make a few more sets, however you need, and then you just tape it onto the end of this one, and then keep going and going and going.
And the trick is to get the tube in the hole of the wasp nest so that the wasp nest eradicator can eliminate in one swoop.
Okay. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun.
So the product, the Hornet Eradicator, is the Black Cat Bottle Rocket BC403. This is guaranteed, and we will not get stung.
Hopefully.
Oh, they're totally gonna get stung. This is the stupidest plan I've ever heard of.
It's a terrible idea.
He's 100% certain it's a good idea. What a moron. Oh, Jesus. They're gonna get stung just putting the tube up in the right spot. This is ridiculous. I feel like I should turn my iPad over. Oh, we're filming. Idiot. Oh, God.
Yes! Oh my God.
There's still a lot of wasps hanging around wondering what the hell just happened. So
It did not kill the wasp.
It was
just effective.
Effective for removing the nest, but not too effective for removing
The wasp.
the wasp. Now they're just pissed.